We are going to emphasize once again here the power of reminders, because it's going to save your time, it's going to make your interviews more efficient and more powerful, because your guest is going to be there actually, and you're not going to be alone standing off without a guest. Okay, so make sure that you remind your guest 2 days before, 1 day before, and then 2 hours before, and then 30 minutes before. So make sure to send them reminders so that they know, that they remember and they can recall the commitment they have made to you, and they come to the show on time, and you are able to conduct the interviews. So reminders are a very vital and very major role in executing your interviews. So make sure to remind your guests on the right times. And if you create your event in the Google Calendar, it has one reminder option, so that you can fix 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 30 minutes, or 2 hours reminder. So Google Calendar is going to remind you and your guest. I usually put it on 5 minutes, because no matter what I'm doing, if I have an event, I only need 5 minutes to finish my work and to go to the next work. So I put it on 5 minutes. Thank you so much.